Hi, my name is Raphael. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hawai.tech. We are a French startup working on mission planning for drones. So basically what it's all about is getting your drone operations more efficient. This means today, when you have a drone, you need to plan all the waypoints before the drone can get up in the air. And tomorrow, there won't be the time anymore, there won't be the pilot anymore, so we need to automate this part. So that's exactly what we do, here in this video, where we have several examples showcasing our technology. So what we see here is basically our tool. So you import your layers, you choose the one that are the right one for your mission. The next part is very simple. You fuse all these layers. So we get one map that's showcasing the situation. We can change the weight depending on our preference. And then we have to set up the vehicle, so the drone that gets up in the air. So here in this case, we choose one drone, and the technology, the solution provides us all the waypoints that our drone needs to pass through.
What is the advantage of fusing all these different maps?
Basically, we need to have all these informations, and so we fuse them. So we stack them. You get all the layers, and you put them all together, and that's what the fusion step is all about.
Is it because this drone is doing specific kind of like work, there's different kind of work they can do and reasons to use them?
In this case, it's basically gas leak detection. So for example, in this area, we have the buildings we don't care about. We care about pipelines. So we have buildings that will be an exclusion zone. We will have pipelines that will be our interest zones. Then we have areas where we have old pipelines. Old pipelines are more probable to have leaks and problems. So these are a dedicated interest area and dedicated layer. Then we have areas where we have in the past already had problems. So these are known problem areas that we will also get into. And so that's why we need to fuse all that.
And are the drones already doing some autonomous work right now? And how do you make it even better?
So we are not drone manufacturer. We provide the drone manufacturers and the users of drones this AI tool to get the drone operations more efficient. So we are already working with aerial drones, but what I didn't tell you is that all this stuff and all this technology is working for all these vehicles there. So all these unmanned vehicles. So we have aerial drones, naval drones, terrestrial drones, surface drones on the water, underwater, as you want. And we work on all these categories, of course.
Even submarine drones?
Exactly.
And do you show the software happening here? Is it actually real working, or is it a future project?
No, this is a real, it's a screenshot of the software, but if you want, we can launch the software and it runs on this.
Can we have a look?
We can have a look right now.
Just have a quick look how it looks like?
Yes, just a second. It's exactly the same. I did the screenshot yesterday before launching the tool, so just...
So it's launching?
It's launching. Tu l'avais déjà lancé? So for which example do you want to see? Let's stay on the gas leak detection.
Yeah.
And in a second we will see.
So you're executing the code to...
Exactly. So the code is executed in real time right now. And there we have our tool. So exactly what you just... it's running on the laptop. It's just running on the browser.
Yeah. There's a smooth feature to go around the map and.
In this case, we choose the area that we want to work on. So we choose our.
It's just some image files.
In this case, it's just very simple image files, and then you see in real time here the layers appearing, the buildings. The old layers that are here in black, the known problem areas in blue, and as I just showed you on the video previously, we fuse them. That's what's happening here on the right. We can choose the weights in real time. We see the importance of the pipelines, the old pipelines, the known area problems, the known problem areas, and all that in 1 second.
So previously there would be guys actually piloting the drones, and that's expensive, complicated. unreliable. You can make it 100% reliable.
Yes, we do the ways for drones. So basically, we provide you the right waypoints to pass through, and once you have the waypoints, your drone can take off and do the mission.